Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be upgrading my DG member to level 52, and I will be getting my second premium hobby upgrade ticket. So let's upgrade my DG member. So next week, unfortunately, I won't be getting a hobby upgrade ticket because I don't know why you don't get it at level 53. You'll get it again 54, 55. And this is where I will be opening, like unlocking the gardening one. So it's like close together that I can upgrade it twice from level 11 to 12 in like 2 weeks. But since there isn't any tickets here, like for level 53, I will be going to hobby and I will be upgrading my fishing hobby to level 11. So let's finally upgrade it. And yeah, I am finally fishing level 11. So that is where you can get the next premium upgrade ticket. Again, you won't get it once you've reached DG level 53. So let's see where else we get it from. 54, we get it. 55. 56, 57. We don't get it at 58, and then we get it at 59, 60, 61, 62. I don't know if we'll get it again on 63, but I'm just looking. I think there's some more items that we can get. Retro plate, retro cookware. Okay. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.